All right, good morning, everybody. We're here for the February 23rd, 2022 docket, and we're on YouTube. And let me see who we're going to have here.
Have Mr. Gonzalez,
Okay,
Jorge Gonzalez. I
Mr.
believe he's got an announcement.
okay, Mr. Gonzalez.
Yes, hello, Judge.
Yes, sir. Good morning, Mr. Gonzalez. We're here on the February 23rd, 2022 docket. And which is your case?
So mine is CL-21-0849-3. I mean -D, sorry.
Okay. That's a Rule 11, right, sir?
So we actually didn't get the Rule 11 on file. I just got my notice of appearance on file yesterday.
Okay.
I just wanted to make sure that the plaintiff's counsel had let me know that the hearing was going to be passed. I just wanted to go ahead and make sure that that was going to be the case, just because we didn't get the Rule 11 on file, Your Honor.
Okay. It will be passed, and Rule 11 will be submitted later today, I think.
Okay. Yeah. We'll
All right.
go ahead and get that then.
All right. That'll do it. Thank you, sir. Have a great
Thank
day.
you very much. May I be excused? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Bye-bye.
And Ms. Miller Faith coming in.
Okay. You know which is her case. Okay. All right. Good morning, Miss Miller.
Good morning.
Yeah, which is your case, ma'am?
Allstate and subrogate of Estevania Pajadra and versus Schiffer and Medellin.
Oh, okay. That's a motion for summary judgment?
Yes, a motion for summary judgment and a motion for default judgment.
I think one of the defendants is on.
Okay, let me see here. CL 21 2092D, CL 21 2092D. And we have a motion for summary judgment and you said also default judgment?
Yes.
Okay. My docket sheet doesn't show default judgment. I have summary judgment for both. I mean, it's the same parties, but I have a motion for summary judgment.
I only have it set for MSJ.
MSJ. Okay. Let me see here. I want to know, I think we might have somebody in the waiting room, and that'll be, is it Alejandra?
Good morning, sir. I'm here.
Yes, ma'am. Alejandra, what? Schiffer?
Alejandra Schiffer.
Schiffer. Okay. All right. And Miss Miller, the MSJ was against all defendants?
The MSJ was only against defendant Schiffer.
Okay, defendant Schiffer. There we go. Let me put the circle here. And you're going to do a default judgment on Jesus Medellin?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. Wasn't set for that. Okay.
I need to check, but no, it's only for MSJ.
Okay. I only have it for MSJ today.
Yeah, not the default. MSJ
Okay, so you want to set it for a week or so from now, or?
Needs to submit a new so we can get notice.
Ms. Miller, why don't you submit another order setting hearing date for the default judgment
Okay.
as to Jesus Medellin, so we can get you a quick setting on that one.
Okay.
And then, but today we're going to proceed with the MSJ. Was there an answer on file by any chance by Ms. Schiffer?
Yes, there was an answer on file. She did admit to fault on the collision.
Oh, okay. And your MSJ is as to liability or damages or both?
Both.
Okay. First of all, Ms. Schiffer, you don't have an attorney?
No, sir.
Okay. What we have here is an MSJ, motion for summary judgment, where you were supposed to file an answer or response to the motion for summary judgment, and you didn't file one?
Yes, sir, I did. I went to the courthouse and I submitted an answer saying that, yes, I admit fault, but I wanted to ask to negotiate for a lesser compensation, or if I could work out a payment plan with them or something, because the claim is for $7,000.
Okay,
And I want to see if we could lower it or set up a payment plan.
so you haven't been communicating with them to try to settle the case?
No, sir, I don't. They sent me a notice that they tried to contact me via phone on November, but I
Uh-huh.
never received a phone call.
Okay. What we can do is we set both matters for another date, and in the meantime,
No, she is correct. It is MSJ and default for Mr.
Oh.
Alejandro.
okay, that
Or
was set for
Jesus,
default.
or
Okay,
Jesus.
set for default. Okay. Miss Miller, what we can do today is go for the default judgment against Medellin, and we set the MSJ to give her some time to try to negotiate, and if not, we'll just hear it again.
Okay, that works. Thank you.
Okay, so Miss Schiffer, can we have your phone number?
956-438-5546.
5546?
Yes,
956-438-5546.
yes.
That's your number.
She
Okay.
needs her number.
And then Miss Miller, can we have your phone number or the people she's supposed to be negotiating with?
Yes, my number is 713
Uh-huh.
397
397
7234.
7234.
Yes.
Okay, one more time here, Miss Schiffer, 713-397-7234.
Okay.
Okay. And which department or what number is she supposed to she's supposed to be communicating with? Like
That's my direct.
that's your direct number.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So we're getting an order setting hearing date for the MSJ. So we get you another setting, but in the meantime, you all can negotiate.
That works. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Yes,
What
Miss
does-
Schiffer.
What does default judgment against Medellin mean?
It means he did not respond to the lawsuit. He didn't file an answer to the lawsuit. Who is Medellin? Do you know him?
Yes, he's my stepdad, but since I was the one that crashed, I was the one that was submitting the paperwork and stuff.
Uh-huh.
I didn't know he had to do it also.
Because the lawsuit names both of you, Alejandra Schiffer and Jesus Medellin. So he hasn't been talking to anybody either about this case?
No, sir, it's just,
You're not letting him know about the notices?
well, he's read the same papers that I have, but I don't know if it had to be both of us or right now he.
Reset the whole thing and give everybody a chance to negotiate. Well, Miss Miller, let me try something else. Give me an order setting hearing date for everything, and we'll set it again, and we'll give both parties now a chance to negotiate. So, Miss Schiffer, you gotta give Mr. Medellin that phone number, okay?
Okay.
Because he needs to negotiate both of your defendants. So we're gonna reset the matter one more time to give you guys a chance to negotiate. If not, we're gonna follow through with what we got to, okay?
So in the meantime, do I call this number and negotiate with Miss Miller?
Yes, please.
Feel free to call, and I have your number as well.
And then give the number also to Mr. Medellin so he can talk to Miss Miller. Okay?
Does Mr. Medellin have to file an answer like I did, or Jack, he only has to
He
negotiate?
needs to file an answer, right? Yeah.
Okay, so he has to go to the courthouse like I did and then submit
Right.
the answer. Okay.
Right. But the important thing is try to communicate with Miss Miller so we can get this thing settled, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Miss Miller. So again, just give me an order setting hearing date, both matters, and we'll give you another date
Both defendants.
Okay.
as to both defendants. Okay?
Okay, will do.
Can it be within 2 weeks?
I'm sorry.
We don't know when it's gonna be.
Oh, we don't know. It could be 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. We don't know. You'll find out. You get a notice.
Oh, okay, because I
Okay.
have to request today.
All right. Thank you all. Miss Miller,
Thank
thanks so
you.
much. Y'all may be excused.
Okay.
Okay.
Have a great day. Bye-bye, man.
I have Mr. Ricardo Gonzalez on number 8.
Number 8.
That's claims.
Okay.
We're missing Mr. Sergio Munoz and his
All right.
wife.
All right. Let's see what we got here. All right. Good morning, Mr. Gonzalez.
Morning, Judge.
I believe you're here on F04
Yes, sir.
10-20-4 in the matter of the marriage of Gregory Eldon and Amanda Eldon.
Yes, I am, Judge.
And we're set for status hearing, right, sir?
Yes, Judge, there was you had requested a brief, Judge, on only one issue on this case. It was heard probably almost a year ago. We settled it in mediation, except for one issue, and there was an IRS issue.
Uh-huh.
You requested both parties submit some type of brief justifying an unequal division of that debt,
Uh-huh.
which we did. I'm not sure that opposing counsel filed or did not file anything, Judge.
Okay, so the issue was as to the IRS.
An IRS debt, Judge.
Okay, IRS. Okay.
Right, we had alleged fault in the marriage, also unequal economic positions. My client's not in the best of health either. So those were factors that I asked the court to look at, and also at fault
Okay.
in this on this debt anyway.
Okay, so the brief was filed, say, almost a year ago or so. I'm gonna see if I have it on file. And if not, do you have it in your
And
file?
actually, they did file a response, Judge. I'm looking at my file. They
Okay,
filed a
there's-
response on April the 5th of last year.
Okay.
We filed ours.
Oh, okay.
It's been a while, Judge.
Okay, so then, the issue of the IRS matter, it's an IRS debt.
Yes,
All right. And the whole issue was whether it's gonna be a 50-50 or.
Right.
or-
unequal.
Okay, I gotta review that hopefully today, and I can give you a result tomorrow or this week.
Okay.
And anytime something like this happens, Mr. Gonzalez, call us like about a week or a month later or something, and
All right.
checking up status on something that is pending with the court, and I'll be
Yeah,
glad to.
You understand, with COVID, I'm not sure exactly where you're at, Judge. Some of the judges I know are at home, and some others are.
Yeah,
going to
but
the
just
court.
call the office, and I'll
right.
get the phone calls, and just remind us in a month or so, and we'll be glad to get on it.
Okay,
So
thank you.
now I'm gonna get on it. I'm hoping I have everything with me. It should be, if it's in the file, I should find it.
Yes, Judge, we filed ours on September the 24th, 2021.
Okay. And the response was.
And they did file a response.
Okay. Okay. All right, let me look into it, and if for some reason I don't find anything, the response or your brief, I will be giving you all a phone call.
That's fine. If you can't find it, I'll refile it.
Data response. Okay, your date was September 24th.
Yes, September 24th, 2021.
I think I've. Okay, we have a September 17. Okay, and the response, do you have a date, sir? That was a response by Mr. Munoz.
Yes, he filed it on September the 17th.
September 17th. Okay. And yours was?
September the 24th.
Okay. Got it.
All right.
All right. Let me look into it. I'll hopefully give you a response this week, and
All right.
I'll let you know what happened here. Okay, sir?
All right. Thank you, Judge.
Thank
Have a
you.
good week.
Did you submit proposed orders, Mr. Gonzalez?
Yes.
You got a
We
date?
submitted a post order, but it doesn't indicate a time, but I'm sure we did, Judge. I'm looking at it.
Okay. File it again, please. Will
Okay.
it be an amended proposed order?
Well,
One, it has to be
If
amended.
you file one, it's got to be amended.
amended? Okay.
If you didn't, just file a new one, but it'll be proposed order. As to the
Sure.
issue of the IRS matter, right, sir?
Yes, that's the only issue, Judge.
Okay,
Everything else
yes,
is-
yes, submit the order regarding that. Okay?
I'll resubmit it. Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you both. You're my big shoes, you and your client. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Go back to the first page. This is the defendant, the item.
Mhm.
No show. on
Okay.
plaintiff's side. Galitas. Y
Okay,
Bajas.
bailiff, anybody has called the court to say they were gonna be doing the default judgments?
Judge, at this time, I have not received any calls from any attorneys on the defaults.
Okay, and at the same time, I'm looking here in the waiting room and I don't see anybody there who is an attorney who might be substituting for someone. Anyway, I have here Yadiras Ibajes. You need to unmute, ma'am.
I'm here.
Okay, good morning.
Morning, sir.
Today we were set for default judgment, but there's nobody here to urge that motion. So we're gonna take no action today, okay?
Alrighty.
If there is another hearing in the future, you will be getting notice.
All right. Thank you so much, Judge.
All right, thank you, ma'am. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
You too. Bye-bye.
All right, let me see here.
Other cases.
Yeah. let me- How about cost number CL 183655D, Discover Bank versus Naleli Guzman? Okay, no show, no action. CL 183807D, Portfolio Recovery Associates LLC versus Juan Noriega. No show, no action. And CL 183972D, Portfolio Recovery Associates LLC versus Yadira Ibajes. No show, no action. CL 183976D, Portfolio Recovery Associates LLC versus Maribel Cardona. No show, no action. Is that all for right now?